Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Chinmanan. I am here to give you a tour of Anatomy Department of Kirov State Medical University. So come on. So students are studying here anatomy with the help of their notes. So we have the notes in Latinized form. Students read and study in Latin and take their bone, like with their specimens for a bone. You can get all the specimens and each student will get a different specimen. So we got the access of the cadaver room of Kirov State Medical University. Now I will show you the cadaver because there were lots of doubt and questions on my Instagram that Kirov State Medical University has like original organs like cadaver system. They teach on cadaver system or not. They do teach today, and the reality will be shown. We do have cadavers, so you can learn everything. So sorry for my bare hands. We should have gloves, but we can study everything. So I can show you the whole part, but this is the axilla. You can see here bones as well as nerves, everything you can see. We have more cadavers. Those are students' classes are going on. They are studying on that. But this is the specimen cadaver we have. We can see the axilla and the peripheral nervous system as well as cords and everything you can see easily. So you can learn through cadaver system easily. And as they say, anatomy comes from Russia because, for example, we have Pirogov triangle and different scientific terms. Those are given on Russian scientist name. So Russia was best at anatomy, and they are best because even if you go to the history, they have the Sinelnikov anatomy book, which originated from Russia. So the science, medical science here is really advanced. Those who say that Russian degree is not valid or this is not there, that is not there, it's all like everything is crap. You will get proper education at Russia. That's my word because I am a graduated student of Russian Federation. I have graduated from Kazan State Medical University, Russia. So now I will show you the organ system, like different organs and preservations we have here. So come here. So this is the heart. This is the heart specimens. You can take it for your like cardiovascular system preparation. Then you have this bones, like scapulas are there. Then different bones, and measure from this you can study the joint parts also, as well as we have here the head, the CNS system. You can learn through this skull part, and here you have what we have. These are again, this is tongue and oral system. Yeah. Then you have here, these are femur, I guess. Yeah, femur. Like this is Palovny, Zhensky Palovny organ. This is the female reproductive system parts we have. Then we have Mushki, that male reproductive organs here. And at the end, these are eyes and glaza. So that's all. Next time, if someone say you that Russian degree is not valid or it's crap, it's not like that. There is a live example. I am a doctor who passed FMG exam, who got the degree from Russian system. So it's not like that. So you can come here at Kirov State Medical University, take your admission for 2026 session. Admissions are open, and probably this time admissions will be filled so soon because last year we had extra documents and we cannot put here admissions. So good luck, guys. Come to Russia, come to Kirov. It's one of the best university we have. NMC recognized, WHO recognized, and in your budget, affordable budget. We have everything here. So now this anatomy, the cadaver room tour is yet like we finished it. Now we will go to the class. First, let's close it with the respect because you should not disrespect with the cadaver. Wash your hands. There is one more question always the Indian student asks me about Russian studies. Is it in English or Russian? So it is 100% in English. So I will show you the books we have. This is called Textbook of Joints, specially prepared by Russian professors for students, and you can see how joints, for example, joints of upper limbs. So all the joints with their explanation is given. So there is no need to buy any subscription for studying in Russia because university will provide you notes, guys. From this you can study for your exam, and it's easy. So why I'm saying this, a lot of students don't pass in their anatomy exam. The reason is they don't study these books. These books are very important. You can find all the bones and everything. Like Latinized terminologies we have because Russia follows a Latinized terminology, and that's good because if you know Latinized terminology, everything will be easy for you. So you have everything, and we give this workbooks also. You can learn and then write for and practice for your exam. So this kind of studies are going on very interactive and easy way. So those who, hereafter, if anyone says you that Russia don't have English language studies, and just don't believe them. We have English language courses, and it's like 100% English. All the notes, myology, and system-wise the study is there, so there will be no pressure on students to study whole anatomy book at the same time. That's good, and that's easiest way to study anatomy. So now we will go to student classes. Come guys, we have here anatomy classes of Russian students is going on. Hi guys, Привет. Your first year, like первый course? Второй. So these are second year guys studying for the anatomy, I guess. And they study in Russian language course. So I guess professor will come. It's not good to interrupt anyone's classes. Thank you guys. Bye. Anatomical specimens are here, like for bones and everything. So scapula you can see here, so everything will be there. And here in Russian they have marked, but we give students their notes in Latinized English form, so it's easy for them to understand. And you can see here, this is a museum properly. You can see how each specimen is here. Bone specimen is there. This is a specimen. You will get the cadaver as well as your personal bone set also when you go with your student chesky card to the anatomy theater. And you can see how the pelvis, all the specimens, pelvis and everything is here. So here the skeleton is also there. So there is everything. This is all the specimens we have here, so that students will come here every day and study on these specimens. Virtually also you can learn the anatomy, each vein, each nerve you can learn on the device. So the program is getting on, and I will explain a few things on the program. So we have this program, and we have here the vertical board. From this, student can learn anatomy in a very easy way. For example, there is no need to buy any extra subscription on your mobile phone like 3D anatomy or something. We have here at free of cost, included everything in your fee structure. So what we have is a total 3D representation of human body. Here you can see all the structures, like from histology, skin, connective tissue. Then we have muscles, serous of chest, like abdomen, sense organ, lymph node, nerve. So all the respiratory system, digestive systems, all this planknology, endocrine, and everything. So if student want to study anything, for example, I click on muscles, and if the student want to study regarding pectoralis myomuscle, so he or she can see it and know about its origin, hook, and everything. So you can see here everything. So what is the muscle? Video also we have. So from this you can learn everything. Whenever you study, you can have your notes with you, and if you find something difficult to visualize in your mind, you can come to this board and see the minutes of the anatomy, and it's good. Like सब कुछ है यहाँ पे. So आपको ये यूनिवर्सिटी चूज करना चाहिए. We have focused on the technological approach also. So, and this is the anatomical museum. I am here. So that's the easiest way that Kirov State Medical University is providing you in 2026. So admissions are open for 2026, and I will appeal you all guys to, you can choose Kirov State Medical University. It's one of the best option you have. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in next video. Thank you.